Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick one. So before I was actually going to film my nail video for this week, I got my mystery box and I ordered it from Makartt on Black Friday and I wanted to open it with you guys. I mean, not with you guys, but you know what I mean. And by the way, if you hear any random noises, I have people working on my roof right now and they're like walking back and forth and they're also having a party, it seems. But let's get into it. So I got the Nail Lovers Edition box, which has the retail value of $90 to $140. When I calculated everything I got, I had gotten stuff worth around $113. So as you can see, one thing I got was the blue polygel kit, and I'm excited that I got this because I had just gotten the pink one and I wanted the blue one, but I was like, I'm gonna hold off, and I'm glad I did because I got it in this box. But I really wanted this for like icy Christmas nail set, so I'm really glad I got this. So it comes with your 4 polygel slip solution, a nail file, base coat, top coat, some dual forms, and under the nail file has the brush and the picker. Next I got some short coffin full coverage nail tips. At first I was like, I don't really want these and I'm not going to use them, but I figured I will because I want to try some short dip powder nail set, so I think this might come handy for that. So that is the shape of them and how they look. I'm probably going to cut them down when I use them because I'm not too fond of the shape. Next I got some foil stickers, which is really sad because I struggle with foil stickers all the time. But I figured it's because of the glue that I was using. So I'm going to try again because these are really nice. By the way, if you see like my fingers and my hands like pointing and moving around weird, it's because I spoke whilst I was recording. Then I realized I didn't want to use that, so I'm deciding to do a voiceover. But next in the pack, which was opened but I don't think it was used, was nail foil glue. Which is great, so I can actually try these out and hopefully they'll work. I don't know if you guys can hear the music, hold on. But if you can hear that, I want to be on the roof too. I'm trying to party too. Next in the box were these rose gold charms. I actually have these in gold, but I like these a lot better. Next in the box was this gel polish collection by Awesome Color. At first I was like, is this a Makartt thing? And I looked on the website and I think it is. I did use one of these polishes and I really like the consistency. So it comes with 6 polishes and the set I got was like a pinky glitter set. When I looked on the website to see what other ones they had, I'm glad I got this one because this was the best looking one. So I'm not going to swatch them, I'm just going to open them and show you the brush so you can see what the colour looks like. I wish I would have swatched it though, but when I was unboxing this, I was like, I need to hurry up and get to my nail video, which will be out on Friday. I did a Christmas set, but the first glitter in here is just like a regular glitter. These are probably my favorite glitters. I have so many of these and I'm just glad there's another one to join. Next was just your basic white, and this is the color that I did use, and I noticed a massive difference between this and the one I previously used, which was by Gershon, and I'm like, okay, consistencies do really matter. Next is this light pink. And there was also another light pink. I can't wait to start using these colors once it gets warmer. And the last pastel in this set was a lilac. And the last color is this. So when I was filming it looked pink, but right now watching it, it looks kind of purple. So these polishes are the last item in my mystery box, and shout out to Sondra, she's also another nail YouTuber. I would have never known that there was such a thing if it wasn't for her commenting that in my video. But I'm actually interested in buying other mystery boxes, so if anyone knows any more that are pretty good, let me know. If you like this, like, comment and subscribe, and so sorry for the noise.